Hi, welcome back to AutoCAD 2012 Essential Training for Civil Engineers. This is the part 2 of the session, and in this session we will learn how to open an AutoCAD drawing, the basic mouse functions in AutoCAD, how to zoom, pan and regen our drawings, how to open multiple documents at a time, and how to save your work. There are multiple ways to open an AutoCAD drawing. To open a drawing, you can go to AutoCAD application menu and click on the open button. You can see a dialog box pop-ups. In my case, I have saved my files on exercise files folder on desktop. So I'll be using this folder very frequently. So what I can do is I can click and drag the exercise folder to the left of the dialog box. Now the exercise files folder has been added to my favorite places. If you want to remove a favorite place, you can right click on the icon and click remove. Click yes to remove it from favorite place. Select the file that you want to open and click open. This opens the AutoCAD drawing. You can also use the open icon in the quick access toolbar to open a drawing. To open a recently used file, you can go to application menu and turn on this recent documents button. This will list all the recent documents that you will be working on. If you want to pin a drawing to the recent list, you can click on the pin down button so that it will be always showing in the recent document list. So this is where our journey begins. Let us take a look at the basic mouse functions in AutoCAD. In AutoCAD, a left click is used for selection and a right click is used to access context sensitive options. You can left click on an object to select that object. This method of selection is called a single pick selection. AutoCAD also provides multiple selection options using window selection. To make a window selection, left click in model space, and if you drag your mouse towards the right, you can see that a blue window is created. If you left click again, all the entities that completely fell inside the blue window get selected. Click escape key to deselect your selection. If I left click again in the model space, and if I drag my mouse toward the left, you can see that a green window is created. This is called a crossing window. If I left click again, you can see that all those entities that completely fell inside the green window and those touch the boundary of the green window got selected. I can use the blue selection window to select these two circles. A green crossing window can be used to select a lot of entities at a time. To select all the entities in a drawing at once, you can use the Ctrl+A shortcut key. A right click in AutoCAD is used to access context sensitive options. If I right click on the model space, AutoCAD will show all the options that are related to the model space. And if I select the circle and if I right click over the circle, it will show all the tools that are related to a circle like erasing, moving, copying, scaling, and rotating a circle. If I right click on the ribbon, it will show options related to customization of the ribbon like adding new tools to the ribbon and showing different panels. If I right click on the command line, it will show command line specific options like copying history and showing recently used commands. The scroll wheel is used for zooming our drawings. If I scroll up, you can zoom in, and if I scroll down, it will zoom out. If I place my cursor here, and if I scroll up, it will zoom the cursor area. So the scroll zoom in function in AutoCAD is a cursor position specific function. If I zoom into the kitchen area, you may notice that the shape of the water closet is not rounded. What AutoCAD does is that in order to save the memory, AutoCAD reduces the quality of the drawing. Since AutoCAD is a vector-based software, it won't affect the quality of the printed drawing. A regen command can be used to regenerate the drawing. So if I type in regen and press enter, AutoCAD will regenerate the quality of the drawing and it will show the images the way it was supposed to look like. A shortcut command RE can be also used to access the regen function. If you press and hold the sender button, you can access the pan function. A pan function is used to move your drawing over the model space. If I try to pan towards the left, it looks like I'm panning to a brick wall. This is because AutoCAD restricts the model space area to save the memory. Again, you can use the regen function to free up some space. You may notice that now I am able to freely pan on the model space.